Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to automatically save your passwords in Chrome without asking. To start, open your internet browser. On your internet browser, tap on the three dots on the upper right and then click on Settings. Once you are now here, over at Syncing, hover over to your profile and then make sure it says Turn Off. Now go back. Now the next step once again is to click on the three dots on the upper right and then click on Help, and then in the drop down click on About Google Chrome. In here, make sure your Google Chrome is up to date. Now go back. Now on your internet browser, once again tap on the three dots on the upper right, then head on over to Settings. On the left corner, click on Autofill. Then tap on Password Manager. On Offer to Save Passwords, make sure it says Turned On, or you turn on Offer to Save Passwords. Then make sure Auto Sign In is turned on as well. When you scroll down, you will see all your saved passwords on different websites. For example, I will open another tab and head on over to Amazon.com. As you can see here on the upper right of Amazon, I'm already logged in. Now I will re-sign in so that I will show you an example. Once I am now here on Amazon.com sign-in page, all I have to do this time is to input the first few letters of my account, and then Google Chrome will instantly recognize it. I will click on it and then tap on Continue. Now over at Password, I'll just click on Password. Then I will head on over to Settings, and then I will look for the Password Manager and then look for my account over at Amazon, and then I could copy my password over here. All you have to do this time is to copy the password that you have over at Password Manager and then paste it over to Amazon. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.